If you're thinking about buying MYOB accounting software, there are a few key things you need to know before making the decision. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether MYOB is the right fit for you, or if there are better options out there. First, MYOB offers a wide range of features, including invoicing, payroll, and reporting, making it a solid choice for small businesses. But compared to competitors like Xero or QuickBooks, it's not always the most user-friendly. While its dashboard is functional, some users find it less intuitive than others. If ease of use is a priority for you, keep that in mind. Next thing, MYOB offers cloud-based solutions, which is great for businesses that want access from anywhere. However, unlike QuickBooks, the mobile app isn't as polished, and some users report syncing issues. So if you rely on your phone or tablet for daily tasks, you might run into some friction. The third thing to consider is MYOB's customer support. While generally responsive, it's not as well regarded as competitors like Xero, which offers more hands-on assistance and a better support community. MYOB's support is good, but it can take time to get the help you need. Fourth, pricing is always an important factor. MYOB's pricing is competitive, especially for smaller businesses, but it can become costly as you scale. It's also worth noting that they charge for every additional user, whereas software like QuickBooks allows multiple users at no extra cost. The fifth thing is MYOB's payroll capabilities. If you're managing payroll for a small team, this software does a solid job. However, if you have more complex payroll needs, you might find its features a bit limited compared to other tools like Gusto or Xero, which offer more advanced payroll functions. Sixth, MYOB integrates well with many third-party apps, but it doesn't offer as many integrations as QuickBooks or Xero. If you're running a business with specific software requirements, make sure MYOB plays nicely with the tools you already use. The seventh point is security. MYOB uses bank-level encryption to protect your data, which is a good standard in the industry. But when compared to Xero's extra security layers, it might feel a little behind. If data security is a top concern for your business, you might want to dig deeper into the specifics. Next, reporting features are strong with MYOB, offering customizable reports and dashboards that can help you track your financials. However, Xero's reporting is often considered more robust and flexible, especially for more complex business needs. The ninth thing to note is the learning curve. While MYOB does offer tutorials, the software is more complicated to learn than QuickBooks or Xero, especially for users without an accounting background. If you're new to accounting software, it might take some time to get up to speed. 10th, if you're in a heavily regulated industry, MYOB might not offer the same compliance features that some of the other accounting tools do. For industries like construction or healthcare, Xero's additional compliance features might be a better fit. The 11th thing to consider is customer feedback. MYOB has generally positive reviews, but there are mixed opinions about its usability and performance, especially for larger businesses. If you plan to scale quickly, you might find it doesn't meet your needs as well as other options, such as QuickBooks. Finally, MYOB is a good choice for small businesses, especially if you don't need highly advanced features. It's simple, affordable, and covers the basics well. However, if you're looking for something more user-friendly, feature-rich, or scalable, you might want to look at alternatives like QuickBooks or Xero. In conclusion, MYOB is a solid option for small businesses that want a reliable, straightforward accounting tool. But if you're looking for something more advanced or want to try a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.